Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Silvia Espresso machine. Now for this machine it was rocky because it was not heating up at all. So we just had to replace one of the pressure stats, thermostats that are located in here in the boiler. And yeah, that's what we did. Once we replaced that, the machine was starting to heat up and working the way it's supposed to. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right granulation to this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And as you can see, I could probably tamper a little bit harder. Maybe just increase the coffee quantity to get that perfect crema coming out of the machine. Right, stop it. And good shot of espresso. 1 ounce, good crema forming at the top. Looking really good. Now let me just remove the portafilters. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Okay, perfect. The portafilters out. Yeah, probably should have tampered just a tiny little bit to get that perfect crema coming out. But as you can see, we got a good shot of espresso on the machine, and the machine is getting hot enough. As you can see, nice steady stream. And we're gonna use this now the steamer one. We're gonna be testing the steamer as well. Now it's going to take a little bit for the boiler to heat up and get up to pressure, as this is a single boiler espresso machine, so it takes a while for the boiler inside to reach the temperature to produce steam. Okay, that should be long enough for the boiler to actually reach a temperature. It's still not ready yet, as this light hasn't really turned off, but I don't want this video to be 5 minutes, so I'm gonna start the steamer right now. It's gonna be a little bit wet, as I just said. The steamer is not 100% ready, but as you can see, we're having nice steady steam coming out of the machine. It's working perfectly fine, really good pressure and really good temperature. Working really great. And there you have it, Rancilio Silvia heating up once again. So thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.